Hey guys, we love KZTV. Do you love it as much as we do?
You had a good experience with KZTV?
Yes, I just won bingo.
Y'all had a good experience with KZTV?
Yeah, we're checking our own show
That we created.
Have you guys had a good experience with KZTV?
Yeah, we're playing video games with our friends.
What about you guys? Have y'all had a good experience with KZTV?
Yeah! We're watching right now.
Want to share your experience? We'll show you how.
There will be a lovely QR code just like the one here on your screen. Scan it just like this and you'll be taken to an email where you can tell us all about your thoughts, feelings, and experiences with KZTV. We love hearing all about you and your stories, so please share them with us. This is a great example of an email that you could write. And always remember, you can talk to anyone in the Purple Pants for help or to give feedback and stories.
We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for your support.
See you soon!